goes above and beyond each and every day. He works very hard to make sure that the buildings are operating properly for staff and students. Eric is the kind of person that wants to learn, knows that if he learns it, he can fix it. And once he fixes it, he knows the building is ready to go for the next day for when the kids come in.
You can call him with any problems, any time of the day. Myself, I've had to call him a couple times when we're on call and stuff like that. It's always, sure, no problem, I'll help you. Sure, no problem, I'll get it taken care of. Whatever you need, he's there.
He really brings up the average when you're working with him. He usually is the guy who's there when we're draining buildings, all the big projects on our shift. He's the one who will stay late and make sure the job gets done with us.
What makes Eric special is I give him a task to do and he gets it done. I know I can sleep at night knowing Eric will get the call and he'll make sure the right people are dispatched out to make the right repairs, and then we'll be ready for school in the morning.
He would never tell you to do something that he wouldn't want to do himself too. Something you can really respect about the guy.
In my opinion, that's what ensuring student success is, and that's what Eric does 24/7, whether he's here or not here.
Eric Jonasson's always ensuring student success by making sure that no matter how big or small the job is, school is always ready to go the next day. Doesn't matter if there's a flood, no water to a building, he comes together with the right people to make sure the right solutions are had so that everybody can go to school and keep on learning. It's very impressive to see that man work.